What cussing the other one? So here we go. I am. Stop your complaining. Hey, I'm trying to get you. There you are. Good. Come on, TT.
I can't go fast, no.
Well, use your poles.
Kaylin,
What?
wish me good luck.
They didn't hear you.
Good luck.
Now go.
Wish me good luck.
You're full. Go, TT. Woo! Woo! Someone fell, and I got all of that. Why, I scared you when I said that? That's classic. I got you falling.
Wow, my rib. My rib, okay. Ow.
So how do YouTube and Facebook?
Stop videotaping me. This is not a good moment.
I know. I want to get bad moments. Stop falling. Stop falling.
Stop. I was just trying to give you guys a little bit of entertainment.
You just did.
By falling. I'm a pro skater.
Here, no you're not. Pro skaters don't fall on their butts.
Just trying to give a little entertainment to Facebook and YouTube.
You just did. Hey, look, the little girl's better than you. That's a shame. Hi, little girl. The little girl's better than you. She made it all the way down.
I did too.
And you fell.
Yeah, no, because I was giving you guys YouTube and Facebook a little bit of entertainment.
Okay. If I say down in Jordan. Ready? Come on. Where are you going? I'm still videotaping you. Hey, look at that guy. Wait, shit. There's this guy, like, laying down on the ski lift. Alright, the ski lodge. Here, where are you going? Okay, we're gonna go, peoples. There we go. TT! Yeah. Say bye, wave. Bye.